All right, now we're going to be going into a TFL or a Tensor Fascia Latae muscle. So that's just going to be the anterior part of the hip, part of initiates the hip flexion. So again, got our lacrosse ball or our tennis ball. So this guy, we're going to be doing a sideline position, and our non-engaged leg is actually going to be coming to the front to make it so we can maneuver ourselves to get the right positioning. So our ball's on the ground. So your back leg, I want you to bring it in front of the affected side. You're going to place your weight more anterior to our greater trochanter. So I want you to roll your body forwards above the greater trochanter and all the way up into the iliac crest. And we're going to go up and down. And when you find a tight area, I want you to go back and forth. So you're going to shake your hips back and forth, finding the areas of tension. Up, down, nice breathing, nice deep breaths. Finding areas of tension, back and forth. I find this is really great, especially if you've been sitting in an office chair or sitting for long periods of time. This feels amazing. There we go. All right. And don't forget, you want to work both sides of the body, all right?